Welcome to my video on how to earn an extra income as a freelance writer by getting your head sorted. In this video I'm going to show you why it's so important to get into the right mindset if you want to earn an extra income as a freelancer or take it much further. As a bonus, I'm going to show you the number one trap that many freelancers fall into, and if you do fall into this trap it can make your freelancing life very miserable indeed, so you want to watch the end to see that. But first of all, let's talk about getting your head sorted. I'm going to be honest here. Before I got into freelancing, I was never a big one for mindset stuff, and if you're the same, I totally get it, I really do. That said, I've discovered that mindset is a huge part of working for yourself as a freelancer, and very possibly the most important thing to get right. Getting your head sorted means taking your freelancing business seriously, and taking it seriously means treating it like the real business it is. You need to put in the work, keep focused, and don't get distracted from your goal of building a solid foundation from which to grow. When you push the button and start your journey, you must commit and never stop. Just understand that if you do go into this half-heartedly, don't take it seriously, lose focus or get distracted, you lose momentum and most likely fail. And you know, that would be a shame, because freelancing done right can be very lucrative indeed. And now, as promised, the number one trap to avoid. Okay, whatever you do, don't simply replace one boss with another. Never. What I mean by that is that although you work for clients, they don't own your business, and they don't run your business, you do. Never forget that. You didn't set out on your freelancing journey to be miserable, so always be prepared to sack clients who are unreasonable or don't appreciate your hard work. Would you tolerate unreasonable clients, or would you politely tell them to take a hike? Comment below. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful, and the point about not replacing one boss with another is extremely important. Always remember it's your business, you run it the way you want to. Don't let clients dictate to you how you run your business. Always be reasonable, obviously, but remember that at the end of the day it's your business, and you're the boss, you run it the way you want. If you get clients who are unreasonable, it's probably a good idea to think about sacking them and moving them on. Now, if you enjoyed the content in this video, I'll be making loads more like this, so please subscribe and hit the bell notification so I can let you know when there's more information available to help you. Now, in my next video, there's something I want to talk to you guys about, which is, you know, it's a question I get asked a lot, is how much can you actually earn as a freelancer? And you know, a lot of people will talk about how much they earn, but they never actually show you the figures. So what I'm doing for you guys in the next video is I'm going to pull back the curtains completely, and I'm going to show you exactly, with proof of earnings, I'm going to show you my accounts and things of that nature, so you can actually see how much I'm earning as a well-paid freelancer and what you potentially can earn as well. So I think you'll look forward to that one. I think you'll learn a lot. As I say, I'm going to pull the curtains back completely, nothing held back, and you'll see exactly what the potential is as a well-paid freelancer. And you know, I think you're going to be surprised. So I look forward to seeing you then, and ciao for now.